Where's my right squad?
Stay with who you were before. Fuck it. That's ready. What's the matter? Alright, they're not there. Guys, just run. Run. Guys, run and shout, alright? When we run, we shout. Don't just stay here. We got to push up. Make sure we're spread out. Don't let anyone through. Guys, if you can get into that house, can you get to that house? Before they get in there, Daryl, you might want to try that. If you want to do a suicide, Daryl, yeah, but if you want to die, just run into that house. Stop them getting the house, all right? If you want to, Daryl, but you get in there first. Sprint, all right? Don't let them get into that house. Good luck, everybody. Middle. Guys, near me. I need people in the middle. Yeah. Move up. Hold it. Guys, on me. You're down, you're hit. He's down. Move it, guys. He's dead. He's coming out. Put your hand up. Guys, clear it out. Victor, keep moving up, right? Victor, get to the corner where I was. It's clear. Victor, you can move up a bit. Where? Over here, Victor, get over here. Victor. Guys, I'm dead. Hands up, I'm dead. Marshall, can I observe? Can I stay here if my hand is up? Because I got to film it.
Oh, sure, mate. Yeah,
is that all right?
Yeah.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm filming. I'm dead. I am dead. I am dead. There's tons of them in there. Take it. Hands up if you've been shot. Out you come. Put your guns down and come out and surrender. Marshal, there's somebody been shot. I am dead. I'm dead. I'm filming your last stand. I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. Marshal, we got a close one here. Guys, you gotta move out. You're dead. Right? Dead. Aaron. Aaron, that was live. I think I did. That was quality. Hey, guys, you need to get in there. It's all over. Well, get in there. There's no one in there. Just walk in there. Walk in there and shoot him. There's only one guy left. Game over. Awesome. Yeah. I reckon I saw at least 4, and I think it was all on cam.